Hi, my name is Aarti Deshpande. I am a certified prosthetist and orthotist, and I serve as a clinical manager at the UCSF Orthotic and Prosthetic office at Zuckerberg San Francisco General Hospital. At the Orthotic and Prosthetic office, we are here to help you with your orthopedic and related orthotic and prosthetic requirements and needs. So if you need anything in regards to bracing or prosthetic requirements, please feel free to contact us at our office at Zuckerberg San Francisco General Hospital. Working in prosthetics and orthotics has given me the opportunity to make a difference in the lives of people. Fitting a patient with a brace to correct a deformity or support a weak body part helps them return to their activities of daily living and be more independent. Fitting a person with a prosthesis that allows them to return to activities of daily living and do other recreational activities is the most satisfying and rewarding experience for me.